Hey everyone, I'd like to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Let's grow together. So, this is the very first video that I'm uploading on it, and I'm really thrilled to announce that I'm starting a series known as Dream Talks. So, just before knowing about it, you should know about me as well, right? So, my name is Yash Mahajan. I'm currently in final year of computer engineering at Vishwakarma Institute of Technology. I've won 17 hackathons and cracked on campus internship at Citibank in my first semester of third year itself. So, enough about me. But now, what about Dream Talks? So, every student dreams of cracking their first internship, their first hackathon, cracking every big opportunity that comes in their way. But it's not that easy. And that's why I've started this channel. Because I'm going to bring the people who have aced everything, and they are going to tell how they cracked online assessment, how they cracked interview, how they cracked internships, placements, hackathons, everything. And it will be company specific, not just generalized suggestions, but specific suggestions which help them to crack the specific company. What else? So this platform is going to bring the teachers of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, and they are going to share their opinions as well about education and what students can do better to just ace everything. And what else? So, I'm going to share my experience as well of hackathons, academics, as well as internships. So, what can you expect from Dream Talks? So, it is not just going to be a set of stories of different people, but it is going to help you to create yours as well. So always remember, Dream Talks is not going to be set of stories of people. It is going to be the way which will help you to create yours as well. So get ready to change and subscribe so you get the latest notifications and you ace at everything you do. Thank you.